Welcome to Getting Started with ActiveCampaign. I'm excited to be your guide as you learn how to harness the power of autonomous marketing. This series will help you master ActiveCampaign with confidence. You'll learn to imagine your marketing strategy, activate it across channels, and validate your results, creating smarter customer experiences along the way. Through this series, we'll explore ActiveCampaign through a simple framework: imagine, activate, and validate. First, Imagine agents help you plan and strategize. They're the creative powerhouse, transforming your ideas to campaigns, automations, and more. Next, Activate agents put your strategy into motion, connecting workflows and driving results. Finally, Validate agents measure performance and optimize your results. All of this is powered by Active Intelligence, our AI that uses billions of data points to transform your goals into fully realized marketing strategies. We'll cover everything from setting up your account, to organizing your contacts, to building campaigns, creating automations, and analyzing results. Each video builds on the previous one, creating a complete foundation for success. I recommend following along in your own ActiveCampaign account as we go. Hands-on practice is the best way to learn here, so let's get started in the next video with account setup and workspace navigation.